like clockwork, the magic of turning behaviors into chains. This workshop is for anyone who is getting to the point where they want to get into a competition ring, or for somebody who's thinking ahead about how to prepare. So your bridge behaviors will tie your trained formal behaviors together with flow and help you maintain that energy and enthusiasm throughout a performance.
So with a big dog, it is crucial to get them in a down first. Little medium or little dog, that probably isn't as big of a deal. Wait. But you want them to see your hand come up from underneath.
And you could do this standing if you want. I do it sitting because it's easier on my back and easier to lure. Moving on to day 3 then, we want to start to introduce flow in behaviors. So continue working on those bridge behaviors separately. And also now we're going to work on those formal behaviors that are fluent. We want to chain those together.